Well, what's up, you guys? So I just left from an amazingly crazy good breakfast place out here in Portugal, you guys. And when I tell you that breakfast was so freaking good, I mean, it was so good. Everything is made to order. And that's why I am telling you guys to start your own Faceless channel. You guys, I'm in Portugal and y'all can see like I'm bundled up. I am bundled up, okay? If y'all know Chicago people, we know how to bundle, okay? But I'm telling you guys to start your channel so that you can really start living y'all life, okay? Coach Sam is not no gatekeeper. I'm not a gatekeeper. I want every woman and man to have freedom in their life, okay? My fight is for freedom because once you have freedom of your income, you have freedom of your time. You can do whatever you want with your time once you have freedom of your income. And I'm here to show you guys how starting a Faceless channel, how investing in the stock market, investing in real estate can literally be the difference between you working a 9-to-5 for the rest of your life or being able to go country hopping, go from country to country, doing the things that you want to do, living the way that you want to live, you guys. Life is so amazingly beautiful. It is so beautiful, you guys. Life is so beautiful. Your life should not be wasted. And that's one thing I'm going to tell you. I'm here in Portugal, and when I tell you the people are so amazingly nice, they're sweet. They are. And I wouldn't have experienced this if I was still in Chicago, still being a realtor, still being stressed, still stressing about money, all of that crazy crap. I wouldn't be here if I hadn't started that channel, took a leap of faith in life and started. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your first $10,000 video. You guys, it is really super simple to make you a video on YouTube, and YouTube will pay you for that video. You guys, my very first month, I made $26,000 in 1 month, my first month, and I didn't know what the heck I was doing. So this goes to show you what the video that I am finna teach you guys how to make. You can make this at no matter any age that you are. You don't have to have a lot of experience, you guys. And I'm showing you literally how I made my first $10,000 video. So I got to keep my privacy. I got to make this video quickly, easily. You guys, and I want you to put in the channel, one video can change my entire life. That's what I want you guys to write in the comment section. That one video can change my entire life, because it can, you guys. I'm a living testament. I am a living witness to letting you guys know that one video can change your life. It can get you out of stress. It can get you out of financial stress. It can get you out of being under somebody's thumb. And like I said, most of us were small guys, okay? Most of us used to be small guys, all right? I want to teach you how to become the hero of your story, because you can do this. And I want to show you guys that you can, okay? I actually want to show you guys that you can. Coach Sam is not a gatekeeper, okay? So you guys, let's get to the video. Everything that you see in my video and in my tutorial, you guys, I have them in my course. So everything that you see, I did over 95% of your work. Your content for your Faceless channel is already made in the course. Not only is your content already made, you guys, but I have already done your ebooks, your planners, your journals, you guys. All of that is already made for you. So the only thing that you have to do is literally use what I gave you. Start posting on that channel so that you can literally start living y'all life. I want to show you guys something. Y'all, this is where I'm at on a random Sunday. You guys, I am here enjoying the life that God gave me. And to be honest, I really believe that this is the place that God sent me, you guys. I really think that this is the place that God sent me. So I want you guys to come along. I want you guys to start y'all channels, and I want you guys to make it, okay? Like, share, and subscribe. You guys, they are doing dance. They're dancing right there. I love this place, okay? Do it so that you can change your life. You can do what you want to do in your life. And so that you never have anybody telling you that you have to be at work 9 and 10 hours a day. You do not. You can start this right now, you guys. All right, so let's get to the tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to show you the one piece of content, the only piece of content that you need to get your channel up, running, and together. Like I said, I made $12,000 on one video without even showing my face. I was not showing my face at all, you guys. And I'm going to share with you guys, even if you are a beginner, you can do this. Even if you don't have any experience with YouTube, even if you're older, y'all, content is king, okay? So this is the content that literally makes my channel go viral every single day. And I'm talking about every single day. I'm putting out this content and I'm getting paid for my content, okay? So the content that makes my channel go viral, you guys, is the 6 to 7 second reels, okay? The 6 to 7 second reels, which is basically the shorts that are on YouTube, okay? So you can use this content across all platforms. Every single platform you have, you can use this content. So you can use this content to get paid on Facebook. You get to use this content to get paid on YouTube, TikTok. You guys, this is a versatile content, okay? And this is the way that you're going to start your channel. You're going to start getting attention to the channel so that they can watch your bigger videos, okay? And like I said before, all of this is included within my course, you guys, and I linked the course below so that you can go ahead and you can start today. Because sis, I want you on that first class flight. I want you traveling around the world with me, because you guys, not only are you going to get everything that you see in this video, you're also going to get your content, which is right here, you guys. It is already pre-made for you. I built you guys a channel in a box because I want you guys to start, and I really want you guys to start traveling with me, because me and the rich girls and guys, we are going to start our relocation tours, okay? And those relocation tours is where we go to different countries and we see which one we like. And you guys, we're doing it in a group. The reason why we're doing it in a group is because I want everybody to feel like they are at home. I don't want anybody scared. You guys, I solo travel all over the world, but I would rather solo travel with my girls and my guys. So hurry up and get these channels up, moving, and together, okay? So that we are able to travel together. And y'all, we travel in luxury. We are doing a Rigid Girls and Guys luxury relocation tour, you guys, and it's going to be this summer. So you got time to get these channels up, okay? But like I said before, the course is not only going to include your full course about showing you guys how to put up the content, but it's also going to show you guys how to make supplemental income. I'm talking about the extra income. I made over $534,000 in just 1 month, you guys, just using the content that's in here. So you get your content, you get your digital products, you guys, and you guys, you get your mentorship. I have mentorship meetings every single Sunday. Every single Sunday, I have mentorship meetings that are going to help you put this channel together step by step. And also, you guys, for monetization, I did something so totally huge for monetization, because y'all deserve it. You deserve to live a better life. You deserve to live the life that you want. And Coach Sam is just here to help you do that, okay? So for monetization, you guys, in our Rich Girls Don't Work course, there's also a community where we are a grow group. You guys, we don't need nobody else, okay? So we're a grow group within the community, and that is going to help you get monetized, because guess what? All you have to do is drop your YouTube name in there, and we follow each other. We watch each other's videos so that we can get monetized quickly, okay? So that we can get monetized quickly, so that we can get our money and we could go and travel the world. First class, might I add. Y'all go ahead and get y'all welcome drinks, all right? But let me show you how to do this content real quick. And like I said, you guys, it's going to be linked below. You can use PayPal, you can use Klarna, you can use Affirm. Just come on in so Coach Sam can help you do this. Come on in so Coach Sam can help you do this, because this is what I truly know. This is what freed me, you guys. And I want this to be able to free you too. Listen, at the end of the day, no more 9-to-5 jobs. What I want you guys to put in the comment section, I am unemployable. I am unemployable, okay? All right, you guys. So this is the content. So we're going to go to Melanin 1, you guys. This is the content that I put on my channel that social media absolutely loves, you guys. Social media absolutely loves this type of content. Y'all, they go absolutely crazy for this type of content. It's the luxury type of content that's going to make you look like you are on a beach somewhere. You're on vacation, you guys. And all you have to do is put a motivational tip, put a biblical tip on top of this, you guys. It is nothing when I tell you guys that these reels work, okay? And even if you are a man, you can still put these reels on there, because you guys, guess what? This is 100% faceless. Look at that. It makes it look like you're on vacation, you guys. I have a couple of them where you are, listen, sitting in front of a Benz, a car, or whatever like that. And you guys, this is the type of content that social media loves. All you have to do is go ahead and put on the channel, put a motivational tip. And you guys, matter of fact, let's go to ChatGPT, because Coach Sam is going to check you to ChatGPT, and that is what you're going to do. So let's go to ChatGPT, y'all. So we're in ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how quickly it is for you to even find motivational quotes. You guys, we can let ChatGPT do this, okay? Motivational quotes and ideas, okay? So this is where, look, it has made it already, okay? So listen, this is what you're going to put on the channel, okay? The top 10 motivational quotes. This is what you're going to put on their content. Link a trending song on the content. Put that content up there, you guys. We are using AI with this, okay? Link a trending song on there and go, okay? The future is created by the steps you take today and not tomorrow. You guys, these are actually motivational quotes that I use on my channel every single day. That content, you guys, is the same content that I use on my channel every single day. So please do not tell me that y'all can't do this, because you can. And you can do it no matter what age you are. All you have to do is literally go get the course. The videos are already in there. Your digital products are all in there. Everything you need to get your channel started and make money. And you guys, I am there every single Sunday teaching you guys how to do this, how to make your money, and how to live your life, okay? How to, listen, get rid of the 9-to-5, how to alleviate the stress of working, okay? We deserve better. We are better. And I want you guys to really put that in your head. I want you guys to really say, I am better than this. I'm better than the way that I am living right now. I am the sun, and the sun gotta shine, okay? So like, share, and subscribe, you guys. I'm going to link the course below. And like I said, you get all of the content. And you guys, you also get all of your content, but you also get the full course. And it's a full course in there. But you get mentorship meetings with me for absolutely free every single Sunday, you guys. Come on, come let me help you do this so that you can retire and so that we can start our relocations, okay? Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!